everyone. This tutorial is about the difference between the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. We are going to begin with the eukaryotic cells, but before we start talking about the components of the eukaryotic cell, it is important to know that all animals, including the human beings, plus the plants, the fungi, the protista, are all eukaryotes. Now, how does the eukaryotic cell look like? All eukaryotic cells, as you guys can see, have a cell membrane, a cytoplasm, and membrane-bound organelles such as the Golgi apparatus, the mitochondria, and the endoplasmic reticulum. Moreover, the genetic material in the eukaryotic cells is enclosed inside the nucleus. Furthermore, notice how the genetic material, which is a chemical called DNA, forms structures called chromosomes that are contained within the nucleus. On the other hand, prokaryotes are a simpler and less complex cells, as you guys can see. An important example of prokaryotes is the bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled living organisms, as you guys can see. They have cytoplasm and cell membrane surrounded by a cell wall, but the cell wall does not contain the cellulose as you guys see it in plants. Notice how prokaryotic cells or bacteria have the genetic material in a different form from the eukaryotic cell. The genetic material is actually not enclosed inside a nucleus. Moreover, it is a single DNA loop found free inside the cytoplasm. Furthermore, prokaryotic cells may also contain extra small rings of DNA called plasmids. Plasmids code for very specific features such as antibiotic resistance. Also, notice guys how the prokaryotic cell lacks some of the membrane-bound organelles which are found in the eukaryotic cells. Notice how the Golgi complex is absent, the endoplasmic reticulum is also absent, the mitochondria organelle is also absent, and in case of plants, the chloroplasts are also absent from the prokaryotic cell.